Hi there, Jen Roque here from StampCampWithJen.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, and today I'm here to share with you my newest Stamp Camp to Go featuring the Thankful Garden bundle from the online exclusives. This bundle is so beautiful. It comes with a photopolymer stamp set, these gorgeous dies, and some masks that we're going to use to make some flowers and do some blending. Now, in my Stamp Camp to Go kits, you're going to get all the supplies you need to make each of these 4 cards, and you're going to get 2 card kits for each, so for a total of 8 cards. So here's a little preview of the cards we're going to make this month. We've got 2 fun folds here. Very nice. And then 2 regular cards. Flat cards, as we'll call them. Now, in this kit, like I mentioned, you're going to get the 8 card kits, 2 for each card here. You're going to get half a pack of this Lovely Garden Designer Series Papal, completely labeled, just like you see here. You're going to get a full spool of this Fresh Freesia Faux Velvet ribbon. This is 8-inch wide ribbon, 1/8 of an inch wide. It's very nice ribbon, a nice velvet texture. And then you're also going to get a full container of these tiny bee trinkets. Now these trinkets are currently on back order. They're so pretty. I can see why they're very popular. They are on back order, but I did order a bunch before they went on back order status. So I do have a limited amount of kits available. So they will be available until May 1st or until they sell out, whichever comes first, okay? So what you need is that bundle, the Thankful Garden bundle that I showed you, and you will need a pack of the blending brushes to use for our blending for this class. You can add both to your Stamp Camp to Go registration and save on tax and shipping. You will also need Blueberry Bushel, Garden Green, Melon Mambo, and Tuxedo Black ink for this class, okay? So the deadline to register or subscribe is May 1st or whenever the kits sell out, whichever comes first. If you'd like to subscribe, my monthly subscribers, it's $45. And when you subscribe for 6 months consecutively in a row, I send you a $25 Stampin' Reward as a thank you for being a loyal subscriber. So it's really an awesome deal. And then that just ensures that you never miss a kit. This month, I will be including a video tutorial. You'll have a PDF that includes the measurements and supply lists as well. So you can sign up or subscribe, or if you'd rather just purchase the tutorial directly, you can find that all in the link below of this video or in the email if you received an email for your registration. The tutorials are always available at StampCampWithJen.com in my PDF tutorial library, okay? All right, well, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I hope you're getting excited about these kits. They will ship out sometime in mid-May 2025. And in the meantime, I hope you're excited and I'll talk to you soon. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.